Imagine a colossal statue, taller than a 15-story building, constructed on one continent, only to be meticulously dismantled and transported across an ocean to another. It sounds like an incredible feat, right? This monumental challenge was indeed overcome for one of America's most iconic symbols. The Statue of Liberty, officially named Liberty Enlightening the World, arrived in America not as a single, majestic figure, but in 214 crates, meticulously packed aboard a French naval transport ship called the Isère. This remarkable journey took place in 1885, after years of dedicated fundraising and construction in France. The primary reason for this complex disassembly and shipping process was the sheer size and intricate design of the statue. Standing over 151 feet tall from base to torch, and weighing 125 tons, it was simply impossible to transport it in one piece. Engineer Gustave Eiffel, renowned for his famous tower, designed the statue's robust iron framework, which allowed it to be constructed in modular sections, facilitating its eventual breakdown. This structural foresight was crucial for its transatlantic voyage. The process involved carefully taking apart the statue's 350 copper pieces, along with its internal iron framework. Each piece was then numbered and recorded to ensure proper reassembly upon arrival. Imagine a giant three-dimensional puzzle, with every component needing precise documentation. French workers painstakingly separated the sections, labeling each one before crating it for shipment. This meticulous preparation was key to its successful reconstruction in New York Harbor. An interesting detail is that the statue's torch arm, which had already been completed and displayed at the Centennial Exposition in Philadelphia and later in Madison Square Park to raise awareness, was actually among the first pieces to arrive in the United States, several years before the rest of the statue. This advance arrival helped build excitement and secure the final funding needed for the pedestal's construction. This foresight, displaying a key part of the sculpture, allowed Americans to truly grasp the scale and beauty of what was to come. So, the story of the Statue of Liberty's journey is a powerful reminder of international cooperation, engineering brilliance, and meticulous planning. Understanding how this immense gift was carefully prepared, transported, and reassembled brings an even deeper appreciation for its enduring message of freedom and democracy. It truly showcases a remarkable human endeavor that united two nations through a shared vision and an extraordinary logistical triumph.